Hey guys, it's Dan here at Life Begins at 30, and in this week's episode I'm celebrating Valentine's Day for the first time in my life. See, while I was kitesurfing in Tarifa a few months back, I met a girl in November called Giulia, who also hasn't celebrated Valentine's Day, so I thought, fuck it, why not make the effort for once? Giulia loves photography, and it just so happens that on Valentine's weekend we had a new moon, which means zero light pollution. So I used a website called Light Pollution, and it shows the best spots to see the stars from anywhere in the world. Unfortunately, due to coronavirus, we couldn't go up to Sierra Nevada where there's zero light pollution, but we're close to Marbella, so we took the mountain pass and the mountain route into there, and we're able to do astrophotography together. So you'll notice I'm not currently in a van anywhere. I'm actually in her apartment in Port Banús, and it's beautiful here, but we're going to drive from Port Banús in Marbella to the mountains.
You have to tell me what to pack.
Winter clothes.
Okay.
Skiing equipment.
Got.
Good.
I'm gonna bring socks. Like these socks.
Really?
These socks.
That's perfect. What do you think we're doing?
I think we're like sleeping in the tent or something like that outside.
And so we headed off 90 kilometers into the Spanish mountains all the way to El Chorro, and once we got there, well, you can see how absolutely beautiful this place is. So, being the idiot that I am, I forgot that we're parked next to a huge lake, and now there's like millions and millions of flies in here.
Do I spray the bedsheets?
Yeah, I know, yeah. Well, the onions are really affecting me. So is my love for Giulia. That's why I'm crying. Brilliant. Okay, yeah. This is what happens when you have to cook for a vegetarian Italian.
Yes, indeed.
You have to have a stack of vegetables. And then in here, you've got to create the greatest al dente pasta that you can.
Yeah, he doesn't make al dente pasta. So.
Because if it's not...
Let's see if you can successfully make an al dente pasta.
Right, look at this. Try this one.
No, it's too hard. So.
It's too... See what I mean? It's either too soft or too hard. That's what she said.
1 more minute. Oh, really?
Just look at the state of this fucking place after one night of drinking and eating food. The one good thing about this is that you can take it out, and it's so portable that we can place it on the side of the van and turn it into film night. And just so you can see the setup, I've got the Wi-Fi adapter, a power pack in case it runs out of power, a Bluetooth speaker, alcohol, and Giulia. So as we sat there, freezing our balls off, watching our film, the darker it got, the more the night sky lit up. And this is some of the photography we got from it. But of course, now it was Giulia's turn to surprise me. So there's a couple of people who were staying on this beach near me. I'm feeling pretty rough, not gonna lie. See. And I thought these glasses would be quite funny. So yeah, we had a couple of drinks, got pretty fucked. And now Giulia's taken me on her part of the Valentine's date, and she told me yesterday that she's taking me to a Moroccan spa treatment. Just what I need right now. So now I'm just waiting for her to pick me up. You look also fucked.
Yeah.
Definitely keeping these forever. Okay, this is the last video because we're now going to go and relax. What? How do you feel?
Clean.
Yeah, I feel so clean. Whether you spent Valentine's alone or with someone else, I hope you had a great weekend. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, and I can't wait for next week.